Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to deactivate Twitter account. Thankfully, deleting your account just takes a few simple steps. To delete your account, you need to deactivate it. This tells Twitter you want to delete it. Deactivation will immediately remove your accounts, so people won't see your profile or tweets on the platform, but full deletion won't happen until 30 days after deactivation. Log into your Twitter account via the mobile app. Click your profile picture and select Settings and tap Settings and Privacy from the menu. Under your username, select Account. Then, click Deactivate your account. Read the messages and select Deactivate. You'll be prompted to enter your password, and then you can hit Deactivate one final time. Once you've confirmed your account deactivation, your Twitter profile and any associated information will no longer be accessible via the platform. However, it will take up to 30 days for Twitter to start the process of deleting your account. Full account deletion can take up to an additional week. Within the 30-day period, you can reactivate your account at any time just by logging in and confirming reactivation. This is good news for anyone who has deactivated their account in error or has a change of heart a few days or weeks after closing their account. However, it does mean that your username and email address will remain tied to that account for those 30 days, so you can choose them on another account. And that's all. Thank you guys for watching these videos, and see you guys for the next videos.